Please forgive the Ashi computer screen about this new monitor. I'm working on it. I just wanted to show y'all some good and some bad examples of some juicy 5-minute Heikin Ashi Doji entries and which ones you should take and which ones you should avoid. First off, this first doji right here, as you can see, there's increased volume. It was 925,000 in volume, but then it went to 1 million. So it had increased volume, but it was forming at this key level toward the bottom. So basically it was forming at a a support. And that's a horrible place to get it because there's no room to run. Just like there was a situation yesterday, it needs room to run. But fast forward, this second doji that formed, it actually pushed through this support. So now that level is now broken. That's a good entry right there. It had increased volume than the previous candle. This one's 1 million. This one got more than 1 million. So that was a good entry. And then boom, look at that strong move right there. That's another good example. So bad example, this green doji, you could buy a call below. Look, there's no room to run right there. So that wouldn't have been good. It didn't push through that resistance right there. But look at this one. It pushed through the resistance and it kept going up. Look at that big move right there. That was a good one. It had higher volume than the previous 5-minute candle. Here's another example. Formed above the support, had room to run, boom, went up. And on the 1 minute, that was basically a break retest that formed the doji and then went back up. So that was another good entry. And then you get another break retest, higher volume than the previous 5-minute candle, big push. All those moves, 1, 2, 3, 4, all before 12 o'clock. Juicy 5-minute Heikin Ashi doji doesn't fail. That one failed me today, but I should have known better. Don't buy a put if it's forming at support and it's not pushing through. But if it's pushing through like this, then that level is broken. Then you're good to buy puts. And then vice versa. If it's pushing through a resistance like this, that means it's a strong move to the upside. Buy your calls. 5-minute Heikin Ashi dojis never fails.